In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order clothes from Alibaba. Alibaba is a vast online marketplace connecting buyers with manufacturers and wholesalers, primarily from China. It's a fantastic platform if you're looking to order products in bulk, but navigating it for the first time can be a bit overwhelming. So let's break it down step by step for clarity and confidence in your shopping experience. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to alibaba.com. This is the main homepage where you can start your search for clothing items. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Here, enter the type of clothing you're interested in, such as shirts, dresses, or any other apparel. This search will bring up an extensive list of options from various suppliers. After your search results load, browse through the listings to find items that catch your eye. Each listing will usually provide a quick preview, including the main image, price range, and minimum order quantity. When you find an item you like, click on it. This will take you to the product's detailed description page. On the product page, you'll find more comprehensive information about the item, including material, size options, and in many cases, reviews from other buyers. If you have questions or need further details, look for a button labelled Chat Now. This feature is an instant messaging service that allows you to communicate directly with the supplier. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further clarification on product specifics or shipping terms. When you're ready to proceed, click on the Start Order button, which is usually somewhere on the product page. This button begins the process of customizing your order. Next, you'll need to choose the color of the item from the available options. Suppliers might have a color chart or pictures to help you make your decision. After selecting the color, choose the size that best fits your needs. If ordering for resale or a group, you might consider selecting multiple sizes. Fortunately, Alibaba vendors usually provide a size chart, which can be quite handy. Once you've chosen the size, input the quantity you wish to order. Remember, Alibaba often caters to bulk buyers, so be sure to meet the supplier's minimum order requirement. Finally, revisit the Start Order feature to proceed to checkout. You'll need to enter your shipping address and choose your preferred payment method. Alibaba offers a secure payment system, and you can select from various options to complete your purchase. Before you finalize your order, take a moment to review everything. Double check the items and delivery options to ensure everything is as you expected. Once satisfied, place your order. Now all that's left is to wait for your shipment to arrive. Enjoy your shopping on Alibaba, and we hope you receive exactly what you're looking for.